Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. In this video, we're going to take a look at an offering from DJI. Now, this is the DJI Mic Mini. Most of you guys are probably familiar with this microphone set, but what's unique about this is the receiver that comes in this bundle. So let me show you guys exactly what you get in the box. Now, I haven't seen too many videos talking about all of the different accessories, so we're going to pop in here real quick and I'm going to show you guys what we get. As you guys can see, this is what we first see when we open the box. Go ahead and pull that out. Also inside, you're going to receive you're going to receive some stickers. You're going to receive your manual, but I'm going to try to walk you through everything that's related to this pretty quickly. Okay. So you get this nice little pouch that you guys see here. You do have something here. It's a little card, probably has a little information about the pouch itself. I'll take that off later. But the pouch feels really nice. This is going to be great in your camera bags and things like that, no problem. Single zipper with a little pull tab on here. Let's just go ahead and pull that open. Let's take everything out that we see here so far. So we have a USB-C to USB-C to USB-A. This is a double charging cable. We also receive the microphones. We'll take those out individually. And we have our receiver, we have our charging case, we have another microphone, and there should be an additional charging case stand. All right, so that's pretty much everything that's inside of the little pouch, other than the little thing that comes here to keep everything dry. So don't eat that. You could probably leave that in there if you want to. Might be good for something. All right, so let's take a look at each and every one of these little components. So this is the receiver that I was referring to. Now this is pretty new for DJI. I've seen a few people talk about it, but I have not seen it personally. So what this is going to allow you to do is to connect this easily to your phone. So as you guys can see, we have a USB-C on here, and you have a little switch underneath here. This is going to be for noise cancellation. So you have zero, you have low, and you have high. So you just kind of switch that back and forth for noise cancellation. This is going to be one of our microphones. Now, what's nice about these, even if you don't want to use the transceiver, you can still connect these microphones individually to your phone or to like one of these action cameras, DJI action cameras. They will pair up with those. You have your little clip here on the back, as you guys can see. Let's open this one up here. Now, this comes with two microphones, guys, and they are really small, petite, but very powerful. Don't let the size fool you. And then here's our little charging stands. Now you will need to keep track of these because this is going to be your primary way of charging up these devices. So I'm going to get both of these open so I can show you guys what they look like. All right, so we have our two charging stands. We have the little magnets that come with it. So you have these individual magnets, and these are really strong. I'm struggling to just pull these guys apart. You guys can see how those are popping back together like that. So that's crazy. They are super strong. Now those are going to go on the back of your microphones, and what that's going to allow you to do is to easily clip these on yourself. That is, if I can ever get them out of the package. So we'll see how that goes. All right, let's get this guy out. Maybe once we have one of them out, they won't be so hard to deal with. All right, so let's get one out. Let's take a look at it. You guys can see we have our little DJI branding on here. And these go on the back, like so, of your microphone. And that's going to help you attach this to your shirt if you're not using a clip. You know, that's another really cool thing that comes in this bundle. So you got a full kit, guys. A full kit, wireless microphones. And what's nice about this receiver is that you could either use both of these microphones, which are already paired up. Both of these microphones are already paired up with the receiver, but you could also use this same receiver if you have a different DJI mic. So if you have like the Mic 2, the Mic Mini 3, or something like that, this is going to work. And all you have to do with these, just like any of the others, you're just going to plug this into your phone. Power is going to be provided by your phone, and that's going to allow you to use this with your phone. Now, of course, with some of your action cameras, like what we have here, this DJI Pocket 3, we could just plug this in right here if you didn't have it already connected via Bluetooth. Okay. Now, the one thing that's nice about the DJI cameras, you can connect two microphones to the camera. So if you had the Action 6 or the Pocket 3, you could have both of these microphones wirelessly connected to the cameras as well. And then, like I said, you have your little charging case. You guys see the little things here, they're magnetic and they just pop in just like that. So really nice. Make sure to charge these up before you use them. They're already paired up, so there's really nothing more that you need to do other than, plug them into whatever device you want to use them. Let me show you guys this cable real quick. So you have double charging cable here with USB-A, and those just plug in to the back like so. And then you can connect these to whatever power supply you have, and then you're going to be able to charge those up with no problem as well. So again, really nice setup. I just want to do a quick video showing you guys these little mics that I'm adding to my workflow, how I plan on using them with, with the phone, other different devices that I'll probably be using these with. Now, I've been using quite a few DJI microphones over the years, and I can honestly tell you they are amazing, amazing products, guys. So again, if you're looking for something that you're going to be able to use with your action cameras, something you're going to be able to use with your phone, your tablet, your computer, whatever the case is going to be, I think this is going to be a great option for you. And I love this clear, nerdy, techie look where you can see all the electronics through here. That's pretty cool. So definitely check it out. In a nutshell, I just really wanted to show you guys what comes in the box. So that's pretty much it. All right, guys, been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.